Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add translator to your website. So basically you can translate your website to any other language in the whole world, and I'm going to show you how to do that using a HTML website. So it can be pretty much easier if you build your website using WordPress, but in this video I'm going to do this using a pure hard-coded HTML website. As you can see the website right here, I'm going to have to add translator onto this website so that we can be able to translate it to any language that we wish to. So let's get straight into the video. I'll head over to my cPanel and I'm going to click on File Manager. And of course, I'm going to open up my public_HTML. So you can go ahead and open up any location where your website files lives. But for me, they live in public_HTML. So here are my website files, and let's start with the index.html. Okay. So this is my index.html file. I'm going to right click and edit that. And of course, I can click on edit again. And over here in the code editor, I'm going to scroll all the way down. I prefer to add all my scripting tags towards the end of the file. You can see the go back to the top button right there that I have on the website. You can see that. So that's basically the last element I have on the page, and you can see where it is. So the following element I have are now the script tags. So I can basically add it between this item right here and the script tags. Okay, so I'm gonna get some more lines over there and I'm gonna paste in my translator code. I'm gonna leave this in a text file and I'll put a link in the description of this video if you want it. So all you just need to do is copy this link right here, paste it on your page. So if you're running a HTML file, you'll be sure to paste it on all over the website files. But if you're running a PHP website where you have the header.php, the footer.php, you only need to add it onto your footer.php file. And then it's going to render all over your website. For me, I've pasted this right here, and then I'm going to save changes. And yeah, success. Let's go ahead and reload the website and let's test if we're going to see this. Over there is our translator, okay, floating at the bottom left hand side of the screen. You can see that floating nicely. So let's go ahead and test whether or not this translator is working. So I'm going to click on that, and over here I have a lot of languages right here to select from. So let's go ahead and select Spanish right here. So just go ahead and click on whichever one you want to select. And then it's going to reload on the background, and voila, here is Spanish. The entire sections of the website are now written in Spanish. Let's go ahead and translate it to something more extreme. Let's say Chinese. So let's say Chinese right here. Let's do Chinese simplified. And there we go. The entire website is now in Chinese. You see that? Pretty cool. So let's also get it back to English. And this basically works both on mobile and PC as well. So very much responsive right here. So if you need the code, I'm going to leave the file in the description of this video, so you can pick it from there. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.